Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another Next Raker video. And right now I'm gonna show you guys 3 classic ways that you can sneak food into class using school supplies without getting caught. But before we get to that, I want to give away a box of snacks to someone from the comments in my last video. So I chose a winner. Congratulations, Simply Bubble, you will be getting a box of snacks in the mail very soon. Now if this video gets 1000 likes, I will be giving away another box of snacks to someone from the comments. And to enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me which is the best school supply that you can sneak food into class with. Best of luck pranksters, now let's get this video going.
So let's say these are the snacks you guys want to sneak into class. You want to be able to eat your snacks while in class, while learning, while getting a good education, right? But you cannot do that on an empty stomach. So you want to eat your favorite snacks in class, but some teachers just won't let you. Here's an easy way to do that. For example, right here I have a juice carton. This is a high C juice, and I got some Takis right here. So a good way to sneak these snacks into class is by using a large crayon box. This one contains 48 crayons. Now, don't get the little ones, guys. This one has half of what this one has. So if you notice the size difference, it's very, very big. Twice as much on this box. So, here's what we do, guys. We open up the crayon box. And of course, inside we're gonna find crayons. Actually, this box is missing some, but that's okay. I'm gonna empty out all the crayons. We don't need the crayons in there. And what I like about this box is that the crayons are non-toxic. So if your food touches the crayons, you will not get sick. So let's get rid of the crayons. And look how much room is inside. That's a lot of room, guys. So now inside we can put our juice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the straw, put it through the opening, and it easily fits inside my crayon box. Look at this, guys. Perfect. Now if you look on the side of the juice, there's plenty of room to put some chips inside, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill this up with some chips. So I got my Takis right here. Just like this. Look at that, guys. Look at how many chips I got in there. So all I do next is just close up my crayon box, and that's it. So I'll leave this on my desk, and since it's a school supply, nobody's gonna say anything, nobody's gonna suspect anything. But when I do get hungry, all I do is open it. So I could easily get a Taki, eat it quickly, and then take a sip from the straw. Simple as that, guys. If somebody is watching or coming over, all I gotta do is close it up. And that's it. I can get away with eating my snacks in class. This right here, guys, is a supply box. You guys can put all kinds of school stuff in there, such as pencils, pens, markers, crayons. Anything that will fit in there can go in there. And I've done something similar to what I'm about to show you before, but I'm gonna do it different this time. So right now, what we're gonna create is a little false bottom for this supply box. For that, guys, we'll be using some foam board, and this is just a little piece that I cut out from a larger piece. So we're gonna measure out the size of this supply box and make an outline of it. So I'm gonna begin by tracing it. I'll be using this pencil. You guys have seen this before. I used it on my latest video, how to cheat in class. And you guys can watch this video later on. But right now, let's finish up this one. So let's begin by tracing the outline of this supply box. There you guys have it. There's our cutout right there. Now, before we begin cutting this out, let's create 2 flaps, one on each end. There it is, guys. Let's cut it out. So here it is, guys. And the side that we'll be using is the black side. So on the black side, barely cut onto the flap so that it actually bends down like so. See? And we do the same to the other side. See how easy that is? And now we can put it inside the supply box. There it is, guys. Now that we have our false bottom and we know that it'll fit, let's take it out and fill it up with some snacks. You guys can put some cookies in there. Make sure they are flat though. And make sure to clean the supply box first. So let's cover it up. One last thing. On the center of our false bottom, we're gonna cut out a big square. So we're gonna cut out the middle, but the cutout has to be smaller than a crayon box like this one right here. So it'll be on the center. Just make sure it's smaller than the crayon box. There it is, guys. There's our opening. And now let's put our crayon box on top. And then on one side, we're gonna add some tape, just so that we can easily open it. Like so. So look, guys, we just open it up and there are our cookies. But we're not done yet. We need to make this look as legit as possible. So we're gonna add some pencils and crayons and markers in there. Like so. And look, you close it up. You know, it's normal. Nothing to see here. But when you open it, still normal. Nothing to see here. Nothing suspicious. But let's say you guys want a cookie. All you guys gotta do is lift up the crayons. And look, just grab yourself a cookie and put the crayons back, and that's it. Nobody will know that there are cookies inside but you. You guys don't necessarily have to use cookies. You guys can use some Hot Cheetos Extra as well, and even some Pop-Tarts. This is a very simple method to sneak food into class. Try it out, it always works. Clearly this Rice Krispies is too big to fit inside this eraser, so we're gonna have to trim it down. But I'm not too concerned about the Rice Krispies length because we could easily trim it down, so that's good. Now let's take a closer look at this eraser. Now this eraser has two layers. One layer, which is a big one, is just foam, which is okay. It's very lightweight. And then we have the top layer, which is very thin, and we can actually, guys, pull it. So we can pull it back. It's got like adhesive on it. See, if we lay it back down, it'll stick back on. So that is perfect for what we're trying to do. So we're gonna pull this back all the way to the very end. Don't tear it off though, just leave it like this. And then we're gonna start to hollow out the foam part. And for that I have my trusty blade right here. So let's do that right now. Oh, this cuts like butter. Very easy stuff. Might be a little time consuming, but I think it's totally worth it. So we gotta cut it in pieces, guys, because it's kind of hard since we can't cut sideways. Alright, I did the best I could, guys, as far as hollowing out the inside of this eraser. So now we're gonna put our Rice Krispies in there. Clearly it's double the size of this eraser, so we're gonna have to trim it down because we don't need to take this whole thing into class. Come on, guys. We just need a little snack to get us through the day. Alright, so all I need is this little piece. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna shrink it. I'm gonna try to compress it so it fits in better. Alright, so we're gonna take this Rice Krispies and put it inside. And then we're just gonna tap it so that the adhesive sticks to top layer. And that's it, guys. Our Rice Krispies is in there. I honestly can't tell that there's anything in there because the Rice Krispies itself is not heavy. And the eraser was never heavy to start off with, so I can't really feel it. But if you guys are in class, just get this from your supply box, pull it out, just peel back the top layer, and your Rice Krispies will be right there. You can start enjoying it right there and then while your teacher is giving his or her lecture. But you won't be hungry in class with this method.
Alright pranksters, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. I really hope some of these methods help you out when you're hungry in class. Don't forget to enter the Box of Snacks giveaway by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Good luck pranksters, I'll see you guys in my next video.